In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google Docs on a web browser does not currently offer a built-in dark mode specifically for document pages. That means if you're using Google Docs on your computer, you won't find a simple switch inside Docs itself to make the document dark. However, there is still an easy workaround. You can use your browser's dark theme or install a dark mode extension to give Google Docs a darker appearance that's more comfortable on the eyes, especially at night or during long writing sessions. To get started, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find browser extensions that add extra features to Chrome, including tools that can help apply dark mode to websites like Google Docs. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type in Google Docs dark mode. This should bring up extension options related to dark mode support for Google Docs. Take a moment to look at the results carefully so you can choose the one that matches what you need. In general, you'll want something clearly labeled for dark mode and compatible with Chrome. After you find the extension you want to use, select it and click Add to Chrome. This starts the installation process and lets Chrome prepare the extension for your browser. You may see a pop-up asking for confirmation before the extension is added. This is normal and it gives you a chance to review what the extension will do. Next, click Add Extension to confirm. After a few seconds, the extension should install in your browser. If everything goes smoothly, you'll usually see a small notification letting you know the extension has been added successfully. Some extensions may also place an icon near the top right area of your browser for quick access. Now go back to your Google Docs page and refresh it. Once the page reloads, the dark mode extension should begin applying its effect to the Google Docs interface, depending on how that extension works. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and check whether the extension needs to be enabled manually from the browser toolbar. Also keep in mind that some extensions darken the full interface, while others may only affect certain parts of the page. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn on our mode in Google Docs using a Chrome extension.